The story behind the scientific discovery of the Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman is incredible. C.V. Raman is one of the founders of modern science in India. And his discovery brought India the only Nobel Prize in Physics till date. Raman was born in the Madras Presidency on the 7th of November in 1888. He received early education in Visakhapatnam and passed matriculation at the age of only 11. Raman showed deep interest in physics even in his school days and secured the first rank in the BA examination with a major in physics from Presidency College Madras in 1904. While studying MA in 1906, he wrote 3 papers in the Philosophical Journal on subjects like unsymmetrical diffraction, surface tension, and Indian musical instruments, and quickly captured the attention of the international scientific community. Once, the famous physicist Lord Rayleigh wrote, addressing the 18-year-old Raman as professor. He also stood first in the Indian Financial Civil Service examination and came to Calcutta with his newly married wife, Logasundari, to work as Assistant Accountant General in 1907. But he kept the doors of his mind wide open for science, which was waiting for him in the city. In Calcutta, Raman came to know about an organization called the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, briefly IACS, founded by Dr. Mohendralal Sarkar, solely for native Indians to conduct modern scientific research. Raman started to work there only after his office duties and shortly became obsessed with the phenomenon of light scattering. Why is the sky blue? And why are the oceans blue? He was intrigued by such questions. Raman built a simple spectrograph where sunlight was used as the light source. The celebrated discovery was made along with his student K.S. Krishnan on the 28th of February 1928, and it was announced the next day to the Associated Press. The Raman effect, as it is known today, is a phenomenon of frequency shifting of light upon scattering by a substance. In this demonstration experiment, the green incident light of a laser of 532 nanometers wavelength is scattered by a liquid carbon tetrachloride taken in a cuvette. The major fraction of the scattered light has the same frequency as the incident light, known as Rayleigh scattering. However, a tiny fraction in it, nearly a part per million, has frequencies different from the incident frequency, which is due to Raman scattering. The hidden orange-yellow color of Raman scattered light becomes visible only when viewed through an optical glass filter that blocks the much more intense Rayleigh scattered light. A spectrograph is typically used to identify the Raman scattered frequencies. The frequency shifting in the Raman process occurs due to excitation of the molecular vibrations, the characteristic coherent oscillations of the constituent atoms of the molecules of a substance. With the invention of powerful lasers, many variations and advancements of the basic Raman process have been made, and those are extensively used in diverse areas of science, technology, and medicine. In 1998, the American Chemical Society identified the Raman effect as an international historic chemical landmark, and in 2012, IEEE recognized the discovery as a milestone in electrical engineering and computing. In the Raman effect, there seems to be many more surprises yet to be discovered by the generations to come, and many more challenges ahead.